Hi guys. Okay, I'm ready to do a reading again. I have the time, and however it's going to be a bit of a short reading, I sense. I'm still not sure. And I really like the topic. Okay, like I don't think I've done this topic before anytime. The next gift coming to you from the universe. Okay, like this just dropped into my head today morning. Like I was searching for a topic, but somehow, the ones that I had in mind just didn't work. Okay, so this just dropped into my head. Okay, your next gift from the universe. All right. However, there's something very interesting that is happening here. I am not sure what is it. I'm so excited, by the way. After pre-shuffling my cards and putting them on the table, when I when I got up, there was this card that had dropped. Like I didn't even notice, okay, that this had dropped, all right, and it was lying face down. And when I picked it up, it was the Triumph card. This is the card of Chariot in the deck, in the tarot deck. And it says Triumph. So I'm not sure, like I always pay attention to signs like this, okay? I'm not sure what Spirit is trying to tell me with this, okay? But I'm going to clarify this before I begin reading your piles, okay? So I would like you to please, meanwhile, I'm going to put it here, okay? I want you to pick your pile with the question in mind: what gifts or what gift is coming to you next from the universe, okay? Pile number 1 is the amethyst. Pile number 2 is the, I think it's the selenite. Yeah, it's a selenite pebble stone, if I'm not mistaken. I always forget. So sorry, guys. And the third one is the green fluorite. Okay, I will be having these up on the thumbnail so you can see clearer as well. All right, please keep the question in mind: what is the next gift coming to you from the universe? Okay guys, so what I'm doing is, like, you can consider this like an intro or like a collective reading, okay, because I want to check what Spirit wanted to communicate to me, or to us rather, okay, with this card that came up, the Chariot and Triumph. So I'm gonna shuffle my deck and see. I'm so excited. Okay, anyways, Spirit, can you tell us what message were you trying to convey by this Triumph card? What message were you trying to convey to the collective who's watching this reading by giving me this Triumph card? Okay. That's just too much. I'm going to take this one, okay? I have flying cards. Okay, 4 of Wands. I think we should leave it at that. I don't want it to be too long a reading. And then Ace of Pentacles. Wow. Okay guys, okay, so this is definitely a collective message because I'm getting Ace of Pentacles here, right? Ace of Pentacles is like a gift from the divine. And this is our topic. Like, I'm so happy, I'm so excited. Like, yes, the divine wants you, the divine right now with this message is giving you a gift, okay? That's what they're telling you, okay, with the Ace of Pentacles. Now, clarifying the Triumph card or the Chariot card or the like the Victory card here, is the Hanged Man, Lovers, and Four of Wands. Okay. See, Triumph or Chariot is the card of victory, progress, fast movement, and basically winning out, right? It's a number 7, so it's the number of like spirituality. Spirit is with you. Spirit has always been with you. Okay, and the gift that Spirit is giving to you today, to the collective who's watching this reading, is that victory is coming. Triumph, victory is coming. And it's coming fast, okay? Because like you can see this guy's on a horse and he's like rushing. And horses are very fast creatures. He's holding a flag, flag of victory. His hair is flying all over the place. See, victory is coming in fast, guys, and I am getting as a clarification. See, it's possible that things have been very stagnant for you guys, you know. Some of you have like maybe given up on whatever it is that you want, you know, your hopes, your dreams. You have had a lot of understanding, I would say, in the stagnant time. So it, like, Spirit is coming through to say that it has not been a waste, okay? The stagnant time, things not moving, things getting stuck, has taught you, you know, how to go with the flow, how to co-create with Spirit, how to, basically how to be in the flow, I would say, right? Yeah, that's what I'm getting, all right? Now, I am getting with the Lovers here. Yeah, for some of you, as you can see, like, you know, this, oh my gosh, I have to cover it up. Sorry, I forgot YouTube rules. What the heck? Anyways, so with the Lovers here, I am getting, like, obviously for some of you, this is love as such, right? But for some of you, it's a choice also between something, okay? And you are going to make this fast, okay? Maybe you have understood whatever it is that in this quiet time, in this pause period, you have understood like what decisions you need to make, okay? I am getting a sense of some radical decisions here with Lovers and Triumph. All right, radical decisions about your love life, about your family life, about your stability, about travel, maybe relocation. Like, I don't know, there are some major decisions that you will make very soon. I'm seeing 6 and then 7, right? Here you are stuck between a choice, and here you are progressing towards it, right? Really fast. So some very fast decisions are up, which are guided by the divine. All right, they are wanting to let you know that right now your crown chakra is extremely, like, it's glowing. You're very connected to the divine, and the decisions that you're going to take hereafter are going to be very important, very fast, and very good decisions. All right, and after that I am seeing a lot. I'm actually seeing celebrations. All right, obviously Spirit is not going to tell me what are these celebrations. I mean, I can clarify. Oh my gosh, I just noticed VIIV, which is like 6 and 4. These are mirroring numbers, and like 4 of Wands is also mirroring numbers, okay? What you are going to do right now is going to reflect in your life in the future. Whatever decisions you're going to make right now are going to reflect in your life in the future. Interesting message. Yeah, they are asking you to be a bit bold here, okay? Be a bit bold. Don't buckle down if this thing is like really tough, some decisions really tough. Don't buckle down, because the divine is with you, okay? Now in the future, I am getting celebrations. Like, that's the main sense I'm getting. I mean, 4 of Wands could mean a lot of things. It could mean like stability, marriage, setting up a work, like an office or something like that, preparation for something, for an event, right? Twin flames. Like, I'm getting so many things here, right? For some of you, it is about like a twin flame union, to be honest, because Lovers and then like 4 of Wands, okay? For some of you, but mostly I am getting that some really quick decisions, important decisions you're going to take are going to lead to celebrations, okay? And this is the gift that the divine is giving to you. Now, I do want to check, Spirit, please clarify the Four of Wands. Okay, Four of Cups, 10 of Wands, oops, 5 of Cups, what? Work, okay. What is this 10 of Wands? Spirit, please, can you tell us? please tell us what, give me a hint, what is this 4 of Wands? I'm just going to take one card. Stability. Yeah, the Emperor is stability, right? What do we have below? Yeah, Knight of Wands. Stability. Queen of Cups. 10 of Cups. Yeah. Okay. See, guys, like what I'm getting here is that there is a lot of stability coming into your life, okay, after these decisions are made, okay? I feel some of you might have made them like in June or July already. Yeah, that's what I'm getting, because 6 and 7, right? And if you're waiting around right now, like, you know, I've taken this decision, I've made this move and nothing's happening, Spirit is coming through to tell you that they're giving you signs, you know, that something is coming, something good is coming, okay? However, Spirit is saying you're not paying attention, guys. You're not paying attention to the signs they're giving you to keep up the hope, okay? I think you are in these really dull energies like 10 of Wands, 5 of Cups, right? And I do sense this is related to your stability, right? 4-4, right? Emperor is also the card of stability, financial stability, career stability, power, you know, that kind of stuff. And yeah, so anyways, what is coming? So you have been in this energy, you have not been seeing the signs, you probably don't believe that it's going to happen because it's taken a long time, I sense, okay? And what they are saying, I mean, the only hint they're giving me in terms of like, what is this 4 of Wands? It is big time stability, guys, okay? I do sense for a lot of you, this is related to your career. Either you have made certain important decisions which you had kept on pause for some time, okay, or you are going to make them very soon, okay, which is going to lead to a lot of stability in your career. And also in general, because I do see a home here as well, celebrations, there is some sort of a level up coming for you guys, okay? For some of you, if you've already taken the decision, there is a level up coming because as a result of this, okay? And for you who have not taken any decisions yet, you're just in pause mode, something is coming up fast, okay? I don't know, some decision, some big decision is coming up fast. I am sensing it might be to do either with relocation and career or simply career. I don't know, something, progress. You will be making a decision in the future that is going to lead to immense stability, guys. Yeah, there is a lot of power, stability. Some of you are joining a new place, workplace or something like that. Some of you are having maybe like, are either getting to this position of emperor, like the king of the world, okay? Or you're having a mentor like that, because I do see 2 people here. If it comes to love, I'm getting like, if you guys have been on the fence about taking a decision about your love life, you will, or you already have, and this will lead to marriage and stability. Some of you might be on the fence about some sort of relocation or travel, okay? And you will take that decision. Maybe you will travel even, okay? And then I am seeing groundedness, like everything is going to be going well here, okay? Like if you guys have doubts that, oh my gosh, it's gonna take too long and this and that, no guys, with the Hanged Man and Triumph, Like you have been in pause for all this while, and now things are going to progress. Okay, like this is big big message from spirit. Gosh, I'm also seeing like numbers 4 3 4 7, no, 3 4 6 7. I mean, they're like progressing. Everything is in progress right now, like behind the scenes. Like it's just gonna burst upon you guys. Okay, there are surprises in store. Okay, which is why I think spirit gave me this topic. But spirit is telling you, like to recap, that there is a lot of stability coming in your life. Okay, if you've been up in the air about certain things like decisions or certain aspects of your life, everything is going to be in motion now. Okay, and fast motion. All right, like fast motion and victory. All right, for some of you, decisions coming up. All right, important decisions. For some of you, levels up in your career. For some of you, marriage. For some, whatever you want, basically, whatever has been hanging, whatever has been in pause. All right, progress is coming. Yes. Oh wow, guys, I'm so happy. Okay, now let's go to our reading. Okay, so pile number 1 with the amethyst stone. What gift is coming to you from the universe? Next, let's see. Balance. Okay. 4 of Cups. Page of Wands. And exchanging gifts. All right. So what is your gift from the universe, pile 1? See, I really feel that you guys are in this energy, okay? Like 4 of Cups. It's like we saw in the collective reading as well, that you might be like you might have been waiting for something to happen in your life, maybe your wish fulfillment. It's been a long wait, and maybe you've had false signals on the way, and now you're like, I'm not sure it's gonna happen at all. That that is the energy that I am seeing here. Okay, I think you guys are a little bit like bored. This girl's face is like a little bored, right? Yeah, but you're not noticing this cup that spirit is actually showing to you. I mean, it's like a hint, So there is this red color coming out of it. This is passion, right? Red stands for passion, excitement, adventure. Like spirit is showing you some signs, but you are not really, you're refusing to see it, I sense. Okay? Because it's like you waited so long, and you've probably had many hints from spirit as well, but nothing has panned out. All right, and you're just like waiting, okay, for something to happen. So this could be the overall energy. For some of you, I'm getting you waiting for something specific. Okay, it could be anything, to be honest. Okay, apply as fits. But the wait has been so long that you're just like tired and bored and upset and kind of sulky. She's sulking. Okay, so okay, so this is the energy. So what is the gift coming? See, spirit has a surprise up their sleeve. Okay, I am getting that, guys. Okay, with the exchanging gifts. If you look at it, there is a jack in the box, and this I don't know, there is a creature like a fairy which is springing out of this box and giving a gift to this cat. You are like this cat, okay? You've been waiting. All right, now whatever you've been waiting for, spirit is bringing this to you very sneakily, pile number 1. Okay, it's going to be a surprise. Please note. Please note, it's going to be a surprise. Okay, I am seeing the number 9 here. Okay, so it could be in September for a lot of you, or I mean, depends, 9 days, weeks, months from now. I'm also seeing pink all over this card. Pink is the color of love. So whatever this is that's going to be presented to you is going to be with a lot of love, guys. Okay, now exchanging gifts in the tarot, this card also is reminding me of 6 of Pentacles. Right, 6 of Pentacles is like the card of generosity, gift giving, yeah, like an even exchange. However, I am actually seeing someone giving something to someone as a surprise. There is a surprise coming your way, and when I put these two cards together, see, Spirit is sneakily showing you this like cup, but you're not seeing it, okay? And boom, it's gonna happen. Some sort of a gift is coming your way. Obviously, this whole topic is about that, but it's going to be a very generous one, guys. A very generous gift is coming your way, and it is specially engineered or coming from Spirit, okay? Now, I'm getting with the Page of Wands, it could be a communication of some sort. I mean, it could come in a small way, meaning that, you know, it could come in like a mail or something, or like a message, WhatsApp message, call, mail, something like that. There is some communication involved here, which is just going to come out of the blue, okay? It's going to come out of the blue, this communication. And maybe you guys might not even notice it at first, but when you do, you know, focus, there's going to be this gift here. It's just going to spring up on you, guys, okay? Oh my gosh, wow. Yeah, it's going to come in a small packet. You know what they say? So please be alert, guys, okay? Check your spam mail, check your junk mail. Maybe don't put Truecaller. I don't know. But whatever it is, it's coming in a small, understated sort of way, but it's going to come out of the blue, and it is big, okay? Like, it's a very generously given gift, all right? Now, with the Balance card, I'm getting two things here. They're asking you to be patient right now. Be in balance right now. You know, don't be in this sort of morose and moody energy, okay? Your gifts are going to come, you know, be a bit excited, all right? Be a bit playful, I would say, you know, at this time. Don't take things so seriously, okay? Because there's a lot happening behind the scenes. Spirit is hiding a lot from you, okay? That's one message. Now, the second message I'm getting with this card here is that when this gift comes to you, please remain in balance, okay? And this is very interesting because, like, why would you go imbalanced when you get a gift, right? It might be because it's so big, it's so unusual, it's so radical, it's so amazing. You know, it's such a big surprise that you might become a little imbalanced, guys, okay? So they are telling you to remain in balance at the time. Be calm, be serene, don't jump the gun in terms of any action or communication. Think about things, weigh the pros and cons, okay? And then sort of, you know, like communicate, okay? Communicate back. I'm seeing that you have all of the tools. Like, this is like the Magician card, right? You have all the tools to accept this offer. If you guys, I mean, it's possible when it comes, you might feel that, oh my gosh, can I even, like, do I even deserve this? Can I do this? Like, is it for me? Okay, so yeah, they're saying that this is what you deserve. Spirit has decided this. You are an amazingly capable person, pile number one, I sense, okay? But it's just like you've not gotten your due, you're bored, and your due is coming here in terms of this gift, and it's going to be very generous. But when it comes to you, don't be insecure, don't freak out, basically. Don't freak out, okay? Stay in balance because you can do this, okay? You can do this, you can accept this, and I am seeing that going forward, there might be more communication. Like, once this comes, there might be more back and forth communication, more surprises coming your way. Yeah. Like, yeah, that's another major message I'm getting. Like, there are many surprises Spirit has in store, honestly, okay? So, like, just be in balance, okay? This is just one surprise. It's starting off with one surprise, but there are many stacked up, all right? Like, that's the sense I'm getting, okay, from the cards. And you deserve all of them. Do not feel that you are not deserving in any way, shape, or form, okay? And, like, do be balanced when all these surprises start sort of, you know, springing upon you, because the spirit is up to magic here. I'm seeing this as spirit, okay? They've just like rotated the wand and they're like, you know, what do they say? Kazoom? Or whatever, abracadabra, and then it happens. So, oh my god, such an amazing message. So yeah, pile number 1, this is what I'm getting. Get ready for surprises, you know, and it's going to start with a small communication of some sort, and then big gifts are, because I'm seeing in plural, right, exchanging gifts. It's not just one. I'm also seeing that maybe you also will be, you know, like giving things, okay, to either one person or others. I'm not sure, okay, because balance also, it's 1-1 here, right? So yeah, there is a time coming where there's going to be a beautiful exchange of gifts between you and some other people, or you and a significant person. Okay, it's going to be a very peaceful time. It's going to be a very generous and giving time, and all of this is going to start off with some small communication which is going to come in out of the blue. Okay guys, so stop sulking. Okay. All right, this is what I have for you, pile 1. Okay, so pile 2 with the selenite. Did I say selenite? I'm not sure. Okay, so this white crystal. Let's see, what is the gift coming to you? The next gift coming to you from the universe. Wow, love begins. 9 of Wands. Emperor. Okay. Co-create. All right. So what is the next gift coming to you guys, pile 2? See, pile 2, I sense you guys are waiting for something. Okay, like with the 9 of Wands here, I sense you guys are waiting for something to happen, and I do sense it's in the area of love, maybe, because I'm seeing love begins here, right? Co-create, love begins. These are all partnership cards, okay? It's not necessary that it's love. Obviously, if you're not looking for that, this could be like a partnership, like a business partnership, work partnership, some sort of, you know, platonic partnership, okay? I am sensing you guys have been waiting for this for quite some time. Yeah. And I'm getting with the co-create card, like maybe you are co-creating with the universe, okay? Meaning that maybe you're manifesting this, okay? Whatever this partnership is, you are manifesting it. I'm sensing with the Emperor that, like, you know, this Emperor like is holding like a chess piece, the king, okay? And you're making your moves meanwhile. I'm sensing you're making your moves meanwhile. I mean, this could apply to like another person also. Maybe you are waiting for someone to make some moves, okay? Or you are the one making moves. Apply as fits. Someone here is waiting, manifesting, and making some very important moves. I'm seeing a chess game here as well, right? And this guy is sitting on the world, okay? So I don't know, is this something global, guys? I don't know, is this something global? I do sense for some of you this is like partnerships, like maybe business partnerships. Like I'm getting a dual energy here. Maybe some business partnerships that you want, important business partnerships, maybe with powerful people who hold some sway globally, something like politicians or big businessmen, something like that, okay? Yeah. So what's happening really, pile number 2, is that you are starting off a partnership. Like there is going to be someone, I sense, this is either you or someone, okay? Someone powerful whom you are going to join hands with. Yeah, I'm seeing 2 powerful people joining hands and starting something. I mean, this is not necessarily love begins. It's a partnership. All right, once this partnership starts, guys, you are going to start building something. You are going to start co-creating something, okay, which is going to be very stable in the future. Okay, like it's going to impact globally, I sense, right? Yeah, that's what I'm getting. And the universe is with you on this, all right? Like with this egg here, I feel that this has been a process of manifestation as well, right? You co-creating with spirit, to make something global happen. I've been getting this message in my readings these days, something about global stuff. I don't know like what it is, you know best. But yeah, you are meeting up with some important people, powerful people, or one important person, and then going on to kind of collaborate together to impact the world in some way. Okay, that's one message that I'm getting. If we look at it on a smaller scale, I do sense you're joining hands with someone. This is all about partnerships, all right? Powerful partnerships which last a long time, because stable partnerships, because I'm getting 4 here. There are 2 number 4s, okay? It's possible this happens in 4 weeks or 4 months, okay? Take it as it resonates. But some huge move is being made by you or someone else during this waiting time that is going to form a very big and beautiful partnership, very fruitful partnership, okay? In work, I would say. All right, now if I look at it from the angle of love, I am getting the same thing. Like there is probably someone has been waiting here, okay, waiting and watching, keeping a light on, and someone has to make some moves. There is going to be a powerful move made, okay, that is going to get you guys into a beautiful a romantic connection, the starting of it, okay, the starting of it. It's going to be very emotional. It's going to be very stable. I do sense you guys are going to work together as well. Work or co-create things together, okay? Because there are 2 hands here, and there are 2 hands here as well, okay? The beginning of a very beautiful romantic connection is starting, and it's going to be very stable in the future, I sense. I'm also getting that the next 4 years are going to be very significant for this partnership in some way. I'm not sure what you guys are going to be doing, but there is some co-creation happening here, okay, like some partnership. Maybe like you have been waiting for this for quite some time, you have been planning this, you have been like making moves, certain moves. I am seeing something about the globe. So either you guys are like traveling, or one person is traveling to someone, and then thereafter another one. Like there is a mutual give and take here that is happening, whether it is a connection that's forming which is romantic or platonic, okay? It's going to be a stable connection, spirit is saying, okay? It's going to last long. It's a powerful connection, all right? It's a powerful connection, and you guys are constantly going to be co-creating. See, when I see the co-create card here, and here we have like a hand with like an orangish sleeve, and here we have a hand with yellow, okay? So it's almost like, what I'm getting like one person in this will have ABC traits, and the other one will have DEF, right? So you guys are complements, right? Here also I'm seeing a cheetah and an owl, okay? So maybe one person's very passionate, driven, and the other person's very wise and calm, all right? And this is what are the best ingredients for a very beautiful partnership, right? Something, you're going to create something, guys, something big, I'm sensing, okay? But I'm not, like, they're not telling me too much about what it is that you guys will create, but there is a connection forming. First of all, the connection is going to be very stable, okay, where both of you are going to be like very beautiful complements to each other. And the second thing is, maybe you guys are going to work on something, I don't know, which might be global or something like that, okay? And it's going to go on to be very stable, okay, in the future. Maybe even have some sort of global impact, okay? So I'm getting a mixed energy of like love come work, but for some of you it's just love, for some of you it's just work. Please take it as it resonates. So this is the next gift coming to you from the universe. The numbers I'm seeing, actually I'm seeing 2 number 4s, so I cannot ignore that. I do sense it's gonna happen in the next 4 days, weeks or months, but then I do also have 1 and 9, so it could be between any time between 1 to 9 days, weeks or months, okay? Some significant partnership is starting off, all right? which is going to be stable in the long run and very powerful. Yeah. Okay, so this is what I'm getting for you, pile 2, as a gift from the universe. Okay. Okay, so pile number 3 with the green fluorite. What is the gift coming to you next from the universe? Let's have a look. Shadow, okay. Hermit, 9, 9. I have 2 9s here. Okay. Hanged Man, all right. And poised. Okay. All right. So pile number 3. See, I have a feeling, pile 3, that you guys are in hermit mode and doing a lot of like shadow work. Okay, the Hermit and the Hangman are actually like cards of pausing. All right, like just going into withdrawal. Okay, kind of trying to face your shadows. Okay, kind of trying to gain some perspective from within yourself. Okay, the first gift that you are receiving from the universe is that you will find some sort of perspective, like you will understand, like whatever these shadows are that are coming up within you during this alone time, you will be able to figure it out. Okay, if you haven't headed for alone time yet, Spirit is encouraging you to do that. Okay, please head within and like be by yourself to figure this out. Okay, because you are going through some sort of like shadow work period at this time. Okay, and I am sensing that you guys are being literally faced with the your shadow. You're making friends with your shadow actually. Okay, very interesting message. Okay, like when we make friends with our shadow is when we coexist in a beautiful balance, right? Like we know we have a shadow side, we don't let it go we don't let it take over the light side, and with the light side, like we don't let the light take over the shadow side, because both are needed for balance, right? Yeah. So what I'm getting here is like you guys are like facing your shadows in hermit mode. Okay, in quiet, in solitude, and you are balancing out your shadow sides, guys. Yeah, I am getting that. This is internal work that is perhaps happening to you guys right now, and the gift that the universe is giving is balance and understanding. Okay, like after fighting your shadows and coming into balance with them, you guys are going to get so much of perspective about yourself. You're going to get very clear. You're going to get the understanding of whatever situation is going on in your life. Okay, which is creating shadows. All right, so you will come out. I mean, yes, this period might be like you in some sort of a pause situation, but it's very necessary for you to gain understanding by yourself in this. Like I'm not seeing that any external energy is going to be able to help you, or these are all cards of going within. The Moon, the Hermit, the Hangman. Some of you are coming across fears, like, oh my gosh, like, is this gonna happen or not, or should I do this or not, or XYZ, guys. Okay, now I am getting that all of this work, inner work, shadow work, was needed so that you can get ready. Poised is about being ready for something, right? So you can get ready for a new phase that's starting off. That's going to be exciting. Like they're not telling me too much here about like what it holds, but there is a new beginning that Spirit is bringing your way as a gift. They are preparing you for a new beginning. All right. It's almost like, like during this quiet time, they're healing you. They are they're healing you, they're preparing you, they're strengthening you, they're making you more positive, they're making you more clear, have clarity, understanding. All of those things are happening at this time, so that you can emerge new, and poised, ready to take on the next chapter that is coming into your life. Okay, like there is a phase, entire life phase that is ending. I mean, perhaps this phase has gone on for like, for some of you 9 years, for some of you 9 months. I mean, take it as it resonates, but it's closing out now. It's going into pause, all of this. So if you guys are wondering, like, am I always going to be like this, like not wanting to go out, wanting to be by myself, having fears, being in pause, not being able to do anything, not wanting to do anything? Not at all, guys. Okay, you are coming out prepared, ready to take on the next chapter, the next phase of your life, and feeling quite liberated after all this work. You know, after shadow work, one feels very light and liberated. Okay, this is how you're coming out, like this fairy or angel or whatever, light. Okay, no more having these baggages, these confusions. And that's when you're going to be ready to take on the next phase of your life in a very positive and poised energy. They are preparing you, guys. Okay, this is the gift from the universe. They are preparing you by shedding all the negativities in you, within you, around you, maybe even externally. Okay, they are kind of shedding all these things, kind of removing all of these things, so you can be like a fresh person. Okay, ready to take on a very beautiful, liberated sort of chapter. That's the only hint I'm getting. Like this next chapter, I sense, is going to be you being in your freedom, you feeling light, not heavy, internally, emotionally, physically. Okay, some of you might even be losing weight, I'm hearing. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm getting. Like, so it's like a shedding. Okay, whether physical shedding, like actual weight loss, or it could be like, you know, healing from any kind of toxic patterns, relationships, situations in your life. All right, it's like you might not want to deal with anyone at this time. Actually, they are encouraging you to be by yourself right now, because you might mirror your negativities or your shadows to someone else if you do sort of, you know, be too much in touch with them. Okay, this is something that you have to do yourself. But what is coming at the end of this is a very light, liberated, free sort of you as well as phase of your life. Okay, because you've done all this work. All right, this is the gift that the universe is bringing to you. Now, I am seeing 2 number 9s here, right? Yeah, and 2 number 3s, because this adds up to 12, right? Yeah, 12. Oh my god, so between 3 to 9 days, weeks or months, okay, you will emerge, I feel. Okay, it's like yeah, so 3 to 9 months. Yeah, I am getting 3 to 9 months. For some of you, it's 3 to 9 weeks. Okay, I mean, it could be days also. Like, take it as it resonates. Depends on how long you've been in this phase. But I am sensing between 3 to 9 days, weeks or months, there is a new phase altogether that is starting, which is going to be very reverse from what you have gone through up till now. Okay, this is the gift. All right, if you've been through a very heavy phase recently of your life or circumstances, there is an absolute reverse phase coming next, which the universe is giving to you as a gift. Okay, which is going to make you jump with joy, feel so liberated, happy, light as a feather, light as a fairy. Okay, and yeah, you deserve this, pile number 3. Okay, so this is what the universe wants to give to you soon. Okay, so with that, I'm going to end this reading. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, bye bye.